Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you are fine. I'm also fine. In this video, I'm gonna show different beautiful and stylish pebble decoration ideas. It is very amazing and beautiful. And you guys know we can share different pebble decoration ideas. It is very classy and amazing. And you can see its color combination. You can see its beautiful and unique pebble home decoration ideas. You guys know we can make different rocks art, stone art, and you can make different pebble decoration ideas for your room, for your garden area, and you can make different pebble art for painting, for kids and etc. So please do not forget my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.